Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about amazing mammals. Mammals are animals that have fur or hair, and most of them give birth to live babies. They are very important for nature and for humans. Let's learn together. A lion. A lion is a strong and powerful animal, known as the king of the jungle. Lions hunt other animals for food and help control their population. This keeps the ecosystem balanced and healthy. An elephant. An elephant is the largest land animal. It uses its trunk to eat, drink, and move objects. Elephants help shape the environment by knocking down trees and spreading seeds, helping new plants grow. A tiger. A tiger is a big cat with beautiful stripes. It hunts animals like deer and helps control their numbers. This keeps forests balanced and prevents overpopulation. A bear. A bear is a large and strong animal. It eats fruits and fish and small animals. Bears help spread seeds through their droppings, which helps forests grow. A wolf. A wolf is a smart animal that lives and hunts in groups called packs. Wolves hunt animals like deer and help keep their populations under control, which keeps nature balanced. A horse. A horse is a strong and fast animal that has helped humans for many years. Horses are used for riding, farming, and transportation. They are also important companions to humans. A cow. A cow is a farm animal that provides milk, meat, and other useful products. Cows also help farmers and are very important for human life and food production. A goat. A goat is a hardy animal that can live in many environments. It provides milk and meat, and it also helps clear plants and bushes, keeping the land healthy. A deer. A deer is a gentle animal that lives in forests and grasslands. It eats plants and helps spread seeds. Deer are also an important part of the food chain. A rabbit. A rabbit is a small animal with long ears. It eats plants and keeps vegetation under control. Rabbits are also an important food source for many predators. A mouse. A mouse is a small mammal that lives in many places. It eats seeds and grains and helps spread them, helping plants grow in different areas. A cat. A cat is a common pet, known for being playful and independent. Cats help control pests like mice and are loved by many people as companions. A dog. A dog is a loyal and friendly animal. Dogs help humans in many ways, such as guarding homes, helping with work, and providing companionship. A zebra. A zebra looks like a horse with black and white stripes. It lives in groups and eats grass. Zebras help maintain grasslands and are part of the food chain. A giraffe. A giraffe is the tallest land animal. It eats leaves from tall trees that other animals cannot reach. This helps keep trees healthy and balanced. Mammals are amazing and very important for nature and humans. They help keep ecosystems balanced and make our world better. Which mammal is your favorite?